Next guest on our show isn't really a guest. We met out of the blue in unforeseen circumstances, and ever since, we've become family. From countless nights on the terrace, sometimes with the moon for company, sometimes with Pink Floyd and a chilled Kingfisher, we've spent innumerable unforgettable nights.
ఇంద్ర లుల్లేంద్ర
నీ గురించి ఇంత మంచి బిల్డప్ ఇచ్చి చెప్తుంటే
please.
నువ్వేంట్రా ఇంటరప్ట్ చేస్తావు? కాదురా, ఎంత ఫ్యామిలీ అయినా ఎంత ఫ్రెండ్ అయినా ఇలా అన్ప్రొఫెషనల్ గా, అంటే నువ్వు కూడా ఒక యాక్టర్వి కదరా. నేను ఏదో చిన్నగా ఏదో షో స్టార్ట్ చేశాను రా.
పొగడరా ఫినిష్ చేసారా నువ్వు ఏదో పొగుడుతుంటే బాగుంది.
సరే, ఒక్కటి మాత్రం నేను చెప్పగలుగుతాను. మన తెలుగు సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీకి ఇమ్రాన్ హష్మి, the serial kisser, the heartthrob. Look at you, Macha. What is this transformation?
Thank you so much. Putting in some effort, have some
Effort, huh? Yeah. It's good to always put in the effort, huh? I like you've always been a very, very hard-working guy. And
all learning from the master G.
So Macha, welcome to the show. This is crazy. Good to see you. Hey, fist pump, ra. Get with it.
Okay,
Keep
Ra.
up with the times.
How is it? How is the pandemic for you?
How is it for you? Ray, show nadi. Question nenu adigali. How was the lockdown for you?
It was amazing, Ra. Life How do I look?
How do you look? That is my next question. Ray, remember this is my show. Okay.
Welcome to AB's show, the show where I am the one who has the abs and not him.
For a change.
For a change.
It's on its way. It's on its way under construction.
Yeah.
Show us your abs, Ra. Now that we've spoken so much.
No. Danny
Come on, Ra. Show, Ra.
My producers pay me money to show it. Okay.
Am I your producer? Am I your producer?
No. Okay. Can we get back on track?
Okay.
Can we get back to topic?
Okay. I know you've been dying to hear this, but so the transformation gurinchi cheptanu cheppu. But you're looking good, Ra, for a change.
Wah, nee note. Manu pogudutunte ardham gaatledu Ra.
You're looking good, Ra.
Camera bettavu.
You're looking damn good.
Thank you so much, man.
For a change. Okay, get to the point. Yeah.
No, I just woke up one day and I wanted to change my life. So I put up a chart in front of my bed.
I saw that.
Yeah,
Saw that.
You've seen it. So I'm trying to do something called the 52-week transformation. So I just write down my whole day in a 4x4 inch box. I've tracked for about 26 weeks now, and part of this is it's a theory that I believed in. I'm trying to experiment it on myself. It's been good so far.
Okay.
Let's see, it's midway there.
The results are showing.
Yeah, the results are showing.
Talk us through your transformation.
See, the first thing about any physical transformation is
It's mental.
Your show. You also give the answers. He asks the questions and he gives the answers because it is AB's show.
Sorry.
Thank you, Ra. So I had to really get on a page where I was mentally at one of my lowest points because I just moved back for good. నేను హైదరాబాద్లో పెరిగాను. మళ్ళీ I was traveling 10 years, 12 years. I was just on the move because I was working in many industries and I was living a very active lifestyle.
Right.
So last year I moved back for good and I was living alone. So I was just locked alone in a house.
Really alone?
Yeah, I was really alone.
Okay.
And I was just locked down for about 3 or 4 months alone, and I hurt my leg.
Yeah.
So I was not able to. That was the most immobile I've ever been in my life. So I really So I felt that is the lowest point, and then I only have to climb up.
Okay.
So that was the first move, and I really wanted to get physically fit. I wanted to give it because I had been looking the same way for the past. I'm doing a lot of films for continuity. I
You
couldn't
can
change
also
my
talk
hair.
about how I've been your inspiration and how you've always wanted to be like me. చెప్పచ్చా, పర్లేదు, ఇట్స్ ఓకే.
అప్పుడే చెప్పాను వచ్చి నేను పప్పనంది వెళ్ళిపోతానంటే షో యాక్చువల్లీ see, to be frank, I'll tell you what is inspiring about what you do is about how you pursue something. Okay, you're like a dog chasing a car. You really try, go ahead and catch it, you run behind it.
But the dog never gets the car.
Even if it gets, it doesn't know what to do with it. The thing about a dog chasing a car.
I'll think about this later.
So I love how you are persistent at something. I think it comes from being an athlete from a very young age. That's one thing which I never had. I'm very inconsistent with a lot of. I put my finger into a million things. work-wise.
And off late, we've started boxing as well, thanks to you.
I know I bring about
we've
a positive change in your life, Adarsh Balakrishna. You can.
So we've started going to this place called BQ,
BQ.
where we train, and you should see some of his videos. It's kick-ass.
Thank you
I'm
so
still
much.
waiting to get to his level. Hopefully,
No,
I'll,
he's there. He's there.
I'll get him. Not
Okay,
too far.
okay. A lot of people know that we are friends and we keep talking about it.
Mm-hmm.
Something that a lot of people do not know about him, which I know, and I think you have to recite Rocky at this point.
Not now, man. We'll do that.
We'll do that. End of the show.
And we'll do another video just for that.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, another video doing Rocky.
Cool. So if you're familiar with my format, it's called the Q20. I ask you a bunch of 20 questions, and you got to give your best shot.
Talk about shots.
So, if a movie were to be made on your life, what would it be called, and who would play you?
First of all, I would play me because I'm the biggest narcissist guy I've seen. I cannot sleep imagining somebody else playing my role.
Okay, fine. I'll give it to you. Sorry, what would it be called?
The Misadventures of Life.
The Misadventures of Adit Arun. Okay, fair enough. Your sexiest co-star,
My sexiest. According to me or according to people?
according to you.
According to
According
me.
to you, రా ఇది పబ్లిక్ పోలింగ్ తీసుకోవట్లేదు ఇక్కడ అర్థమైందా
According to me.
Audience poll
ఎవరు
కాదు.
చెప్తే ఫీల్ అవుతారు ఎవరు చెప్తే ఫీల్ అవరు ఆలోచిస్తున్నా
చెప్తున్నారు
సన్నీ లియోన్.
సేఫ్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ జోక్
Let me think of my favorite joke. Okay, I'll tell a censored joke in a very uncensored way. Okay, 3 people. When there's a rule. Okay, so this is a joke. This is the first adult joke I heard in my life. I was in 7th grade or something, and this is guy from 10th grade. I overheard them talking about this joke. So apparently, one big superstar and one more big superstar, right? And they're on the way to heaven and hell respectively. So one superstar is on a bike with 2 wheels. The superstar is going on a bike and
on a bike with 2 wheels.
2 wheels.
బాగుందిరా జోకు అదే నా జోకు
ట్రైనర్ వీల్స్
చెప్పు కానీ
ఎందుకు వాడికి 2 వీల్స్ అంటే ఎంత మందితో ఏం చేస్తే అన్ని వీల్స్ వస్తాయన్నమాట. సో వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు దాంట్లో ఒక పెద్ద పొలిటికల్ లీడర్ కనిపిస్తాడు ఒక ట్రక్ లో. ఆ ట్రక్ కి 18 వీల్స్ ఉంటాయి. చూసి సార్ మీరు అని అంటే మీరా అక్కడ చూసావా ఆ నేషనల్ లీడర్ ట్రైన్ వేసుకుని వెళ్తున్నాడు. అర్థమైందా?
జోక్ బేసిక్ గా అర్థమైనా అర్థం కాకపోయినా నవ్వాలి గెస్ట్ కాబట్టి. సరేరా. If you were to be stranded on an island with someone, who would it be?
You.
Sorry. Okay, I'll
Nee,
take
it's-
it. What does spirituality mean to you?
It's a way of life.
Define God.
God is an atom to infinity.
Nice. I love your definition of God.
What
God
is your
an
definition
atom.
of God?
It's the same thing, man.
Yeah.
God is an atom made of protons, neutrons, and electrons, plus, minus, and the neutral forces.
I've taught you well.
And yes, sir. Where are your feet? Your favorite musician / band?
Oh God, that's a long list.
One name that comes to your mind.
A.R. Rahman.
Okay. Favorite app on your phone?
Instagram.
Tinder?
Instagram. I don't have Tinder on my phone, guys. I'm not on Tinder.
Favorite social media personality?
Kim Kardashian.
So if Adit wasn't an actor, what would he be?
A director.
A director?
Yeah.
When was the last time you cried?
3 days back.
3 days ago. అందుకే కళ్ళు బాగా ఫ్రెష్గా ఉంది.
అవునరా మరి గ్లిసరిన్ లిక్విడ్ ఏడుస్తారా నేను షూటింగ్ లో?
I meant in real life, but it's okay.
No, real life also I cried 3 days back. I was going through a lot of pain in terms of physical. I was shooting for something and I was going. It was pretty painful and yeah, got home and cried.
Cool. Express how you're feeling right now without saying a word. So if you and I were to act in a movie, which one would it be?
The Lighthouse. Have you seen The Lighthouse?
No, I
It's by
haven't.
Bresson. It's about two guys stuck on an island which has a lighthouse. So these
Okay.
guys are caretakers of the. It's just two actors in the whole film. It's
Oh,
black
wow.
and white. It's beautiful.
I'm going to check
It's
it out.
by a master. It's by one of the biggest master filmmakers called Bresson. It's a must watch for everybody. Try and watch Lighthouse. It's on YouTube.
Lighthouse.
You can buy it for a very cheap price.
And if there's any producers willing to make it, we're here.
Yeah, The Lighthouse. Velugu Illu.
Your idea of the perfect woman.
A woman who can love you unconditionally.
Far-fetched, don't you think?
It's the truth. Because perfection can never be achieved, and a woman who can love you unconditionally, amma tapte avaru undru.
Okay. ఏదో లాజిక్ లో ఎక్కడికో వెళ్ళిపోయింది.
నిజంరా?
But anyway,
సత్యం.
yeah,
జీవిత
I get
సత్యం.
it, I get it.
నీకేంటి పెళ్లి చేసుకుని హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నావు లైఫ్ లో? అందరికి అంత హ్యాపీనెస్ ఉండదుగా.
If COVID had a face,
Okay.
what would it look like? Who would it look like?
If COVID had a face, who would it look like? See, for me, it would look like my guru because it taught me a lot of things.
అసలు ఇంటెలెక్చువల్లీ స్టిమ్యులేటింగ్ ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నమాట.
అరే ఏమనుకున్నారా 24 కిసెస్ వెనకాల ఉన్న థియరీ నీకు తెలియదా?
A book that changed your life.
The Roots by Alex Haley. It's by a journalist. It's by an Afro-American journalist who kind of traces back to his roots 7 generations back, from where it started in Africa and how slave trade had happened to his present generation. It's a it's a very important book. It's among the 100. It's listed in the 100 most important books to read in the world, and it's a book that my father gave me because we traveled so much and he didn't want me to forget my roots. So it's the most important book that I ever read.
Very nice. Mountains or the beach?
It's a tough one. See, right now I'm craving the beach.
The beach.
Right now,
Okay. Marriage. Your thoughts.
it's a university.
It's university.
You can pass, fail, drop out, finish it with flying colors, go ahead and teach in it, or do a research in it, or even go ahead and start your own university. It's a university.
Interesting. So you want to be a student for life in that university?
Pass అవ్వాలరా. ఫస్ట్ సీట్ దొరకాలి దానికి సరేనా? First you need to get an admission into
Marriage
it, no?
ante university.
Yeah, I'm not even ready to enroll into that university.
Okay. What would your epitaph read?
Artist.
That's it.
Adit, artist. It encapsulates a lot of things because there are a lot of ways to approach things, like the ikigai, or you have the African way of Ubuntu. So I look at it from an art perspective. Even science for me is art.
Not.
So life as such is a complete perception has changed. Yours transformation. No? So I really broke down to what is my basic perspective of how I look at things. So I realized that the first outlook is through art. So everything is from an arts perspective.
So tell me, have you been? That brings us to the end of the Q20, by the way.
Okay.
And tell me something about the IPL. Have you been watching it? What's your take on cricket? Have
this-
you played cricket? What does cricket mean to you?
See,
You're a bowler, batsman.
I grew up watching a lot of cricket. My father's I mean, I remember each ball at the Sharjah. I remember the 96 games, the 99 games. Like, what is each player's average? Who plays for what? And slowly it trickled off when I started playing a lot of sport because I didn't enjoy the sport when I played it.
Okay.
And it was getting to a point where, see, initially when you were watching it, we were underdogs. And then growing up, and then Dhoni came in. You know it.
Yeah.
I'm a
Huge Tala
humongous
fan.
Dhoni fan. And with his kind of retirement, I'm also slowly retiring from the entertainment zone. There are too many things to entertain myself with.
Right.
So this IPL I haven't followed because there is so much work on my plate. And I wish I had the time to really follow. But yeah, I do kind of look at the scores.
So in
and
other
see.
words, you enjoy watching cricket than playing.
Than playing cricket. I would love to play maybe. I would love to. The sport that I love to do is martial art. Of course, I'm into martial arts, but I love to just run. I think running is my favorite sport. I can
it's
just
the most natural sport.
it comes naturally to you, and it might not be the world's favorite sport, but it's the world's most natural sport. And yeah, and talking about cricket, the only time I've enjoyed cricket in my adult life is when I was putting your pads up.
At the CCL, I remember.
CCL, I remember. I was your water boy. I was so
remember.
proud to be like I can't tell you how my chest was just
We won
swelling in
that.
pride.
We
Yeah,
won
yeah.
that season as well.
I have the pictures where we were standing there as champions, and you went out there. That was the biggest taste of cricket that I've got on the ground, and I think it's enough for me to quench my thirst on that. And I've never been I don't really go to a stadium and watch a game. I'm really, you can say you're wounded by technology or you really take it to, it's a perspective, but when you can sit at home and watch it the best way, like now, take the games right now. There's not a
True.
single person in the stand and the games are still going on. So
How
I
times have changed.
changed, right? And yeah, I'm just adapting onto it. And thanks to you, I met some amazing cricketers in my life whom I've seen on television and hung out with them and been friends with them. And I think most of them a diplomatic relationship. One person that I can really talk about is Srishant.
Srishant. You guys
Oh,
have the
what a-
Mallu Connect also, right?
Yeah, we have some roots close by, and we had some great conversations. And yeah, he's a crazy guy. One guy you meet and can't forget.
Wow. It's such a pain to have you on the show. I cannot tell you how annoying this show has been. You've been my most annoying guest, but thank you for making it so f***ing annoying.
Absolutely.
I
man.
hated having you on the show so much that I love it.
Love you. I hate you like I love you.
So that's it from AB's.
Signing off. Okay.
Yeah, you do the
Namaskaram,
signing off.
Vandanam, Suswagatam. Meeru Chustunaru, AB's Cricket Show, and this is signing off with Adarsh Balakrishna Natharun. Keep watching this space for more. Look at all the bloody buttons down there. Don't pinch.